This is what we do. We provide the world with all the compressed air it needs. We manufacture air compressors for the three main market segments: consumer, domestic use; professional, for your work; and industrial, for the industrial production. Since the beginning of our history in 1948, we have produced and supplied more compressors than any other manufacturer in the world, over 40 million. Right at this very moment, at least 15 million of our compressors are helping to make the world go round. We manufacture them in 5 plants, from Turin to Paris, from Bologna to Shanghai, the world's biggest compressor production plant. This incredible story began in a small factory with the help of just a few workers. Balma was founded in 1948 as a small family firm, run directly by the owner, Antonio Balma.
Tempi eroici, dove abbiamo incominciato quasi dal nulla la costruzione del compressore con mezzi veramente artigianali e man mano abbiamo fatto dei passi da giganti.
Each of our plants are centers for research, machining, welding, painting, assembly. Building the complete compressor from the ground up is the guarantee of the highest quality that a company can offer.
Che la tradizione cominciata da me continuerà con i miei figli e con la mia famiglia.
Nowadays, we represent a multinational group with customers in 120 countries throughout the world while preserving the core of the family-run company.
In this business, there is not another company like ours. We are quite unique in the market. We manufacture in 3 different continents and we export our products into 120 countries all over the world. We are a multinational company, but a family multinational company. We have the big organization, but we are financially independent. We are very flexible, we are very quick in reacting, and we are very close to the market because we know the market. And we have the privilege to speak with our customers. And most important, we listen to them. This is a business that has been run by my family for the last 70 years. I'm already the 2nd generation, and I have not intention to make any change.
We are the only producer that enjoys success in all of the 3 market segments. First in the world for the production of professional piston compressors. Amongst the leading producers in Europe in the field of industrial screw compressors. From machines that generate enormous capacity to those that require the utmost precision, our range is the widest of any manufacturer anywhere in the world. A further guarantee for those who want to grow and succeed alongside us. Building a complete compressor from the ground up is the guarantee of the highest quality that a company can offer.